welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sejal, as you all don't know. Welcome to the channel sejal.com. This is a very fashion, lifestyle kind of a channel, and I promise I'm going to be very more consistent from now because I finally have a setup, okay? Like, I just set this up. These are just chart papers. And this is just a fairy light. So very normal, minimal setup. I just did it. And yeah. So I was just waiting to, find a place to shoot, a nice place where there's good lighting, good audio because I just wanted to make like quality content for you guys. So yeah, this video is a very huge haul, not huge, from Mr. DIY, which opened recently in Navi Mumbai. So obviously I had to go there, right? Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start with earrings. So the first earring that I got are these yellow earrings, and these are so pretty, like one is different and one is different. So I don't know, that's a new trend going on, and these are just for 59 rupees. So wow. And the next earrings are these green flower earrings. Okay, I don't know how to describe things. This is like my first ever haul, so don't mind that. Also, these earrings also so pretty, and these are for 59 rupees. The next earrings are these very pretty peach pink kind of a color, and these are as well for 59 rupees. Like, how pretty, like I've never seen such creative earrings for such cheap prices. Also, these are like really cool burger earrings that I got. I don't know when I'm going to wear these, but yeah. Also, the next are these ice cream earrings that I got. These look like really kiddish, like when you buy them, but after it's just like, okay, so those were the earrings, and the next thing I got is these set of bracelets, which are so pretty, and these are like 3 bracelets for 53 rupees. Like, oh my god, Mr. DIY is like my new favorite jewelry shop. So yeah, the next thing is this cute brooch where like you can just pin it on any t-shirt or something. It looks really cute. Just enhances your basic tees and stuff. So the next thing I got are some hair accessories. These are some scrunchies, 2 scrunchies. One I'm wearing. This is for 19 rupees each. And these are like, normal rubber bands. Everybody needs those, right? These are for 59 rupees each. Also, don't mind like once I'm looking here, once I'm looking here, because I'm not really familiar with all of these as such. So yeah. The next thing I got is a mirror. This is like a cute hand mirror, and this is for 110 rupees. The next thing I got are these cute pins. Like, oh my god, like look at the shape. It's so, oh my god, and this is just for 59 rupees. Okay, so the next thing that I got are these 2 pairs of socks. One is this really cute, I don't know, green, dark mint kind of a color, and this is for 55 rupees. And this ankle length socks, really cute print, also for 55 rupees. These are men's socks, but who cares? The next thing is this sleeping mask. What was it? Sleeping mask. No, it's an eye mask. Sorry. Blooper. It's an eye mask, and it has also like a gel kind of a thing to cool your eyes, because eyes are really important. And this is for 63 rupees. This is like a small little pouch that I got. I really like the print of it. So yeah, just got it. It's in leather, by the way, and this is for 390 rupees. I got this very pretty frame. So soon I'll be like, attaching frames to my background. So for these, I got this, and this is for 89 rupees. The next thing that I got are these cute 2 little diaries. Like, these are keychains actually, and it's also like a diary over there. So, and this is for 49 rupees each. So we have 3 more keychains, which are like, first one is this weird lamb keychain which my sister got actually, and I don't know, it's like really cute. Also it does something, I guess. Yeah, so it like does that. Yeah. So the next keychain I got is this elephant keychain, very cute. Also that was for 91 rupees and this is for 77 rupees. It's so cute. It also, even this like does something weird. Yeah. The next thing is so aesthetic. Like, just look at this keychain. Wow, it's like a ghost. It is for 89 rupees. Okay, and the next thing is these paper washi tapes, I guess. I don't know what to call them. My next thing I got are these envelopes. Okay, these have 2 prints of envelopes. This is for 69 rupees. And I got this for something very exciting that is going to come up very soon on this channel. So stay tuned for that. Also, the next thing that I got are these highlighters, mini highlighters, and this is for 151 rupees. Next thing is this very pretty diary, a notebook kind of a thing. Plain pages and all, very pretty diary, and this is for 77 rupees. So the next thing that I got is this hat, which does not look good on me, but it's a cute hat. So I got this and it's for 240 rupees. Okay, and the next thing that I got are these wrapping papers. This print is there and this is for 51 rupees. And the next thing is also wrapping paper with this grey print. Actually, I brought this to use as a background, but let's see what happens because I have not seen the length of it. And this is for 49 rupees. The next thing is very random. It's just a masking tape, you know, and it's for 27 rupees. And the last thing is a very cute handbag that I got. It's not a handbag, it's just for grocery and stuff. The print is like so cute, oh my god. And this is just for 33 rupees. Okay, that was not really the last thing. I have one more thing, and this thing is actually for a very special launch that is going to come soon. Actually, really soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's the same launch I mentioned earlier. I just had to say it again. So yeah, these are like very pretty mint color hangers that I got. Now, it may have given you a hint of what's coming up, but yeah. Keep guessing. Also tell me in the comment section what you think is going to be launched very soon. Okay guys, if you have watched it till here, I really am glad you did. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to do all the good stuff by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing to my channel. So also I'll be posting a new video every Tuesday from now, and actually the new setup has always like kind of motivated me to, you know, post content. So yeah, that's going to happen. And also, as I was talking about a new launch, so you can guess what it is about in the comment section below. Thank you so much.